Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming your account and sync status so nothing goes missing. Once done, create a new folder directly under Inbox. Right-click, choose New Folder, and give it a clear name that matches a project or sender. You should also sketch a simple top-level structure now. Think Inbox, Action, Archive. This helps prevent future chaos. Make sure to set folder nesting immediately so you won't have to reorganize later. You'll thank yourself when search and rules work predictably. Now you'll actively populate folders and reduce manual effort. Start by selecting multiple messages and move them into the correct folders using Move or Drag and Drop. This speeds bulk organization. Then create rules for recurring patterns. Go to Home, Rules, Manage Rules, and set conditions so future mail lands automatically. Also apply color categories and conditional formatting to highlight priority senders and threads, because visual cues let you triage at a glance and keep your workflow efficient without opening every message. Finish by setting maintenance habits and one troubleshooting step. You should archive old items on a schedule to keep mailbox size manageable and use cleanup tools to collapse redundant messages. Make sure folders are included in search. If results are missing, rebuild the search index from indexing options to restore visibility. If automated sorting breaks, disable all rules, then re-enable them one at a time. This reveals conflicts quickly. By maintaining a small routine, you prevent future mess and keep Outlook folders reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.